Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my video. And in today's video, like I promised, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make money on Facebook even without you being a content creator. You can earn money on Facebook without you being a content creator. So if that is what you're interested in, you have to watch this video from the beginning to the end. See me for the first time, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Solid Pictures TV. I talk about different online side hustles that can help you earn some cash online just with your smartphone. If you want to get more updates from me, do want to give this video a thumbs up, like the video, share the video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more updates coming your way. Please don't forget to comment where you're watching from down below. I would really like to know where you're watching from. Please just comment where you're watching from down in the comment section. I know some of you will ask me, why are you qualified to teach us or to talk about Facebook monetization? Well, I'm going to tell you it's actually because I started using Facebook for a very long time and I've been studying their system, and so far I have multiple pages on Facebook and I've actually monetized 2 pages on Facebook in the last 6 months. I think with my experience I have something to teach you that you can learn and apply it, and you can use it to actually make some money for yourself. Facebook is actually changing. Social media as a whole is changing, and there are a lot of things that have changed with it. There was a time where you cannot monetize your Facebook profile, but now you can turn your Facebook profile into professional mode and monetize it. You understand? And there was a time when you could not post on Facebook story, but now you can post on Facebook story and you can make money from that. So a lot of things have changed, right? Now I grow this my new Facebook page. We just click 8,000 followers right here. This is 8,100 something, 8,178 followers right here. Now this is not my main page. This is the page I just monetized recently. Now how was I able to monetize this page so fast? It's not that I'm the best content creator or I have the most viral videos. No, there is something I did that actually push this page into monetization, and that's what I want to show you guys in this particular video. Now for you to monetize your Facebook page, before or normally you need to have at least 5,000 followers and 60,000 minutes view in the past 90 days. There are people right here in this country that are creators that are making thousands of dollars, which is like millions of naira every single month just with their pages. So this is a very big opportunity that anybody can tap into. How can you build and optimize your Facebook page? Your page has to be different from your profile. Your Facebook profile and your Facebook page, they are two different things. Your profile can manage your page. Your page cannot manage your profile. Those are two different things. Your page can contain a lot of people. Your profile can only contain your friends. Those are two different things. So you need to separate your page from your profile. That's number one if you want to build and optimize your Facebook page. Number two is branding. Your profile photos, your cover, choose your niche, select your niche. You need to be specific. You can check out the video. I made a video on how you can choose a Facebook niche. I'm going to drop the video in the comment or in the description of this video. Go and check it out, how you can actually choose a Facebook niche in case you're confused. The next way you can build and optimize your Facebook page is by having a content strategy. Now you can decide to say, okay, I want to post long videos and short videos. You want to mix it together. I want to post long videos, short videos and photos, long videos, short videos and text, this. So you need to create a strategy for your page. Another thing right here is use keywords and hashtags. The hashtags should be hashtags that are related to your content. Another thing right here is that you have to maintain consistent posting. You can say, okay, I want to post 3 videos, 4 videos per week, 3 videos, 4 videos, or 5 videos per week, or 1 video per day, 7 videos in a week. So you have to be consistent in your posting. So these are the ways you can use to optimize your Facebook page for growth. I'm just telling you this based on myself because I post like 4-5 reels on Facebook every single week. 4-5 reels on Facebook every single week, right? So I'm telling you this based on my own personal experience. All right, so let's talk about the different ways you can actually make money on Facebook even without being a content creator. And I personally am going to show you my own personal method right here. So just pay attention. Now, the first way you can make money on Facebook without being a creator is for you to run an affiliate program. And for you to be able to run an affiliate program even without you being a content creator, you need to run Facebook ads. Some people don't still know how to run Facebook ads. And if you want to know how you can be able to run ads on Facebook so that you can get traffic for people to buy your product, maybe for affiliate or whatever. So I created a video, a tutorial to show you how you can run Facebook ads right here in Nigeria. You pay with Naira, not with dollar. You pay with Naira, right? So I created a tutorial video on how you can do that. And if you want to watch that, check on my Selim account, right? Go to selim.com/solidpicturestv. You're going to see it on the screen, selim.com/solidpicturestv. You're going to see there how to run Facebook ads. So the first way you can make money on Facebook without you having content or without you creating content is for you to join affiliate programs. And for you to be able to succeed in affiliate programs with this method, you have to learn how to run Facebook ads. It is very, very important, right? So make sure you check that video out on my Selim account. The second way you can make money on Facebook even without being a content creator is by you joining Facebook Marketplace and selling on Facebook Marketplaces. You sell on Facebook Marketplace and you can actually earn money without being a creator. You don't have to be a creator. And another way right here is for you to offer your services on Facebook. You can do this by joining different groups. You can also run ads, right? You can run ads. You can also join different groups, and from there you can offer your service if you have an online skill and you make money even without you being a content creator on Facebook. Now, but if you want to make money with your Facebook page and you don't want to be a content creator, this part is for you. So for example, let's say you want to start posting things about side hustles. Now let me show you how I monetize my page very, very fast. If I was depending on my videos for me to get monetized, I would still be here today without monetization. So let me show you guys something, and you can see here that this other post also gave me 29,000 views, right? 29,000 views. That is what this post gave me, right? And 1,300 engagement right here. Currently now, Facebook pays for engagement more than views. This one have 27,000 views. The other one have 29,000 views. This one make more money than the other post. This post gave me 5,000 likes on Facebook, a single post, right? 5,000 likes. The post gave me 727,000 views on Facebook and 46,000 engagement. This is the way I use in monetizing my Facebook page. You start posting posts that is actually related to your niche. Now, this post might not even be your own. Posts that have more engagement in a short period of time, put them inside photo editor like InShot. Once you put them inside this photo editor, you modify this post. The post should have a little difference from the other person's own. If not, Facebook is going to see it as a low quality content post. You need to have like 5,000 followers for you to actually get monetized. If you want the easiest way for that to happen, promote your Facebook page on simple Nigerian platforms. You have to put in the effort, post consistently, and from there you build your audience, and that is how you monetize your page as fast as possible, even if you don't have any content to create. Facebook now pays people for their text and posts. Utilize those parts and earn more money for yourself. Are you going to try this? So just share your thoughts in the comment section.